This video will show you how to mark a room DNR. Hotelogix lets you easily mark a room DNR, or do not reserve, and block the rooms out of inventory for all booking sources. Let us see how. Right-click the room that you need to mark as DNR. A list with different housekeeping status shows up. You may select the checkboxes to mark multiple rooms. Select DNR. DNR panel opens up. Use calendar icons to select the dates for DNR. Note that DNR end date is not calculated and should be the date on which you want to start selling the inventory. Type in the comments text box and click Submit. The room is updated as DNR on tape chart and gets highlighted in a unique color. Note: the housekeeping status color can be customized from Admin Console now. Click DNR and House Use Report under Room Operations. The report opens in a new tab. It shows the list of rooms marked as DNR and House Use on the current date. Use the date fields to search for desired dates. Click Search. You can narrow your search by using Filter to separate DNR and House Use. To edit the DNR status, click the block on tape chart. DNR panel opens up. Note: you can extend or reduce the DNR number of days by clicking the calendar icons. However, you can only edit the end date for the days where night audit has not been done. To delete DNR, click the delete icon. This brings us to the end of the video on how to mark a room DNR.